Three Rivers, you are in the path of this. I want to give you an update on when to expect this to move right into your area, because that's going to be more like 4:20 or so. We're going to stay out of the front yard, but the backyard is probably the more visual one, and we'll show you some of the stuff. Now, I can pick up this limb. Now, this is a pretty heavy limb. This is one of the smallest limbs that's lying around here. Yeah, at least it's above zero for most spots. That's one thing. I mean, you got to take small positives from each day, because last couple mornings we've set records along I-94. The leading edge of this precip is headed into I-94 here within the next 10 to 15 minutes. It'll be in Mattawan, but most of it's going to be on the liquid variety in the next couple of hours. We'll see our temps in the mid-30s, but by noon, that's when a lot of this is liquid. That's also when those winter weather advisories start to expire. And this is arriving from the south and southwest. So by 7 o'clock, a lot of you are heading out on the town or just enjoying the perhaps extended weekend for you. We're from Benton Harbor all the way up to Grand Rapids, even lightly into Muskegon. Areas south of 96, you're going to see more of this snow. 30, 5:30, 6:30, and then you expect me to be chipper for 5 straight hours. It's miserable. Well, I want you guys to say, wow, that's great news. It's going to be 60 on Friday. But the problem is, as you know, a lot of stuff gets put in here, and goodness knows, Panera Gravy.
Oh,
That's not the best.
That's like something you could caulk windows with.
Probably another Mike Avery special. The best part is the 7-day forecast at the end of this. It's going up even more.
Oh, I like that.
Yeah, I like that too. Yeah, we're having a good time here at the West Michigan Golf Show. Just in time right there. We'll talk more about what's on deck for the weekend ahead.
He got lucky.
Did he do that live? Yes, that was live.
This is where that snowstorm originated, and it's a very light snowstorm as well, especially in comparison to a couple days ago. But that's where our next one's going to come from as well. Look at Future Track HD. It's almost a nice pipeline of cloud cover, and this is where we're going to see one of those clipper systems we often mention, because it moves very quickly. And watch how it develops a little bit of that precip ahead of things, and we pause it early Saturday morning. Some snowfall totals registered as Ionia and Saranac, 3.6 inches so far. Snow totals keep rolling in, but one thing we're going to run into is that snow is melting and turning to rain. I don't think that's going to be the case. We'll see a little bit more, but keep in mind those winds are off the lake. Not only are they very strong, but we'll see bands of lake effect snow develop not only Wednesday, but Thursday specifically as well. I think Thursday morning and Friday morning, that's the time frame for your commutes will be a little bit slicker for a couple of different reasons. One of them is going to be that we're going to see several days of lake effect snow with several inches possible. Wind chills being below 0 and also with our temperatures below 15, that is the cutoff point for some of that salt on the roadways to be effective. So that's something we're going to have to look out for. Well, looking outside right now on our downtown tower cam, there's a few spots of sunshine. And how about that? Battle Creek, really noticeable at the moment. And you're going to continue to see some of these great looking skies. Look at the lake right now. And there are breaks in the clouds. And that's the best part of today, is it's not going to be a dull, cloudy, rainy day. Despite what your phone icon may say that there's a chance for rain, it's going to be pretty dry for the most part. We'll scan Fox 17 live radar the last several hours, and you'll notice a very light shower or two has developed, and that's what we'll track for you right now, because right along the immediate lakeshore at Fruitport, Ferrysburg, Spring Lake, you're seeing some very light showers. They're going to move off to the north and northeast at about 25 miles an hour, Ravenna in the next 20 minutes. Very slowly, very light. We'll also track some showers for you in downtown Grand Rapids, a very, very light area of a sprinkle. You have to turn your windshield wiper on that one setting. That's about it. Other than that, you're going to enjoy the rest of the day. Expect stuff like that to develop the rest of the day. That's it. You don't need an umbrella. You don't need a rain jacket. Just be prepared for a light shower if you're outside at all. You can go inside for 10, 15 minutes and then come back out, or just go through it. You know, play golf through the rest of the rain. There's not going to be any lightning, I would expect, as just 64 degrees right now in Battle Creek and Grand Rapids. We're going to get to 67 at 9 a.m. Now, it is a slow warm up, but we'll switch those breezes to the southwest. That increases our humidity, and our sun sets a quarter before 9. Now, overnight, we are going to see showers and thunderstorms develop, and I would expect thunder to be very isolated, but still by midnight, our temps in the mid-60s, showers and thunderstorms develop and move through very quickly. So by 6 a.m., just before sunrise tomorrow, a lot of the heavier rain is gone, but if you're a light sleeper, expect to be woken up by a couple of rumbles of thunder. Not expecting severe weather, just a few showers, enough to maybe get by without water in your lawn tomorrow. Our better opportunities for rain are in the coming days, and it's all part of this slow-moving disturbance. Now, eventually, this stationary front's going to turn into a weak warm front, which is responsible for giving us a couple of showers in the next few
few days. And we look at moisture. This is water vapor imagery, and I like to think of it as kind of an X-ray of the atmosphere, and you can really see where this storm is developing. Dry air, but humid air out ahead of it. That's going to increase your dew points and also fuel for more of these storms in the coming days. So I know a lot of our lawns really need it. You're going to see it here in the next few days. By Wednesday, I think a lot of the days cloudy. We build that humidity, but Wednesday into Thursday night, early Thursday, and then later in the day, even into the nighttime, we are going to see a few showers before clearing out by the weekend. Then we're already looking toward the eclipse, right? It's a week from today, and it starts at 12:56. Now, you won't be able to tell that something's going on at this point because it'll just be a little bit of the sun, but by 80% eclipse time, that's maximum eclipse by 2:21 as we move all the way across West Michigan, and it's really done by just about a quarter before 4. So looking forward to that. Hopefully we can stay dry, and it looks like we're going to at least be dry Friday and Saturday. Our best bet of rain is Wednesday and Thursday, and then dry just in time for the weekend, guys.